I'm Stephen Wolf with Wolf Legal Services. So what is a trademark? Well, a trademark is a word, name, symbol, or device that identifies and distinguishes the source of consumer goods and or services. It might be helpful to explain what a trademark isn't instead of what it is, because oftentimes people get the different kinds of intellectual property mixed up. Whereas you have copyrights, patents, and trademarks. Copyrights are usually for protecting creative expression like photographs, poetry, novels, music, movies, things like that. Patents, while original, are used to protect intellectual property rights in things that are functional, things that are useful. So making a new and better mousetrap would be something you could get a patent on, but it has to be something that is useful and that no one's thought of before, a way to accomplish something. Trademarks, however, are different. Because trademark law is carved out of consumer law, and it originated mostly to prevent counterfeiting. Now we use it to protect consumers from confusion. Now it's also used to legitimize and strengthen brands for sure, but the point of the law is, according to the legislature and the judicial system, is to protect consumers from being confused. So for instance, if you wanted to start a beverage company, you couldn't name it Coca-Cola because you would risk confusing consumers into thinking that your product was actually the Coca-Cola that everyone's familiar with, or at the very least that it had some association with Coca-Cola. So let's take some examples. Think about the Nike logo. Imagine it right here. Okay, yeah, you see it. See the word Nike, see the swoosh below it? Now this is at least 3 trademarks that you're looking at right here. One is the word itself, Nike. That is the trademark. 2 is the swoosh below it. That by itself is an image trademark. And then the entire collection of the word and the image is a trademark. And those are all owned by Nike. And when you see those, you know who is providing the goods that you are purchasing, be it athletic shorts, sneakers, hats, socks, or some other fitness technology or whatever. The same goes for the Netflix logo. Look at that. See, the word Netflix all by itself, no matter how you write it, no matter how you draw it, is a registered trademark of Netflix. But this image, where Netflix is written in this particular style, is also a trademark of Netflix. Now, a trademark is only protected once it's in use in commerce on specific goods and services. Once it is in use in commerce and it is giving a commercial impression to consumers that this is the source of goods. And as soon as it is used in commerce, it is afforded some protection. You do not have to have it registered for it to be protected. In trademark, your work is protected once you are in business using the mark. Now, registering the mark gives a lot of advantages, but it is not required by law for you to do so. It may be required by law for you to file for business taxes or for you to register with your Secretary of State, but it is not required by law that you register a trademark. However, there are a lot of benefits for companies and individuals who registered their trademarks. Among other things, you can sue in federal court regardless of the damages with a registered trademark. You can sue for statutory and even treble damages, especially if someone's willfully infringing on your trademark. And you can also register your trademark with the Customs and Border Patrol Office to prevent the import of counterfeit goods, which is extremely important these days with selling your products on Amazon. So that's kind of a general overview of what a trademark is. Obviously, there's a lot more to it. If you want to know more, there's a blog on my website called Trademarklawpro.com. Other videos will be popping up soon, hopefully. Like and subscribe to get updates on those. And feel free to get on my website, Trademarklawpro.com, and schedule a 30-minute consultation with me for free. And we can talk about how to help you with your trademark. Thanks.